everyone, welcome back to another session of Lesson 1 Democracy What and Why. Today we will study about why democracy is a popular form of government. And for this, we'll see the arguments against democracy. Let us look at some of these arguments. First one, leaders keep changing in a democracy. This leads to instability. Second, democracy is all about political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. Third one, so many people have to be consulted in a democracy that it leads to delays. Fourth one, elected leaders do not know the best interest of the people. It leads to bad decisions. Fifth one, democracy leads to corruption for it is based on electoral competition. And the sixth one, ordinary people don't know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. Clearly, democracy is not a magical solution for all the problems. It has not ended poverty in our country and in other parts of the world. Democracy is a form of government that only ensures that people take their own decisions. This does not guarantee that their decisions will be good. People can make mistakes. Involving the people in these decisions does lead to delays in decision makings. It is also true that democracy leads to frequent changes in leadership. Sometimes this can set back big decisions and affect the government's efficiency. These arguments shows that democracy of the kind we see may not be the ideal form of government, but that is not a question we face in real life. The real life question we face is different. Is democracy better than other forms of government that are there for us to choose from? Now we will look at some of the arguments for democracy. Democracy is better than any other form of government in responding to the need of the people. A non-democratic government may and can respond to the people's need, but it all depends on the wishes of the people who rule. If the rulers don't want to, they don't have to act according to the wishes of the people. A democracy requires that the ruler have to attend to the need of the people. A democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. There is another reason why democracy should lead to better decision than any non-democratic government. Democracy is based on consultation and decisions. A democratic decision always involves many person decisions and meeting. When a number of people put their heads together, they are able to point out possible mistake in any decision. This takes time, but there is a big advantage in taking time over important decisions. This reduces the chance of rash or irresponsible decisions. Thus, democracy improves the quality of decision making. Now look at a third argument. Democracy provides a method to deal with difference and conflict. In any society, people are bound to have differences of opinion and interest. These differences are particularly sharp in a country like ours, which has an amazing social diversity. People belonging to different regions speak different languages, practice different religions, and have different castes. They look at the world very differently and have different preferences. The preferences of one group can clash with those of other groups. How do we resolve such a conflict? The conflict can be solved by brutal powers. Whichever group is more powerful will dictate its term and other will have to accept that. But that would lead to resentment and unhappiness. Different groups may not be able to live together for long in such a way. Democracy provides the only peaceful solution to this problem. In democracy, no one is a permanent winner. No one is a permanent loser. different groups can live with one another peacefully. In a diverse country like India, democracy keeps our country together. Students, I hope you all have understood this much. We will continue this lesson in my next video. Thanks for watching.